up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing an install video on the DURAMAX diesel. This truck still retains its original exhaust system from the factory, so today will be the day that I'll be switching that out. I purchased a 4-inch MBRP exhaust system from the turbo downpipe back. As you can see, this setup here is for the extended cab short bed. The kit also fits long beds and I believe quad cabs too, maybe not. Yep, I just like I said, the exhaust that was on this truck was super old and original. It still has the original factory catalytic converter on it, so I wanted to get that out because I feel like it's probably plugged up and you just don't need it, especially where I live. We don't have emissions laws here, so I'm able to run the straight pipe all the way back, no muffler. Should sound a lot better too, that's what I'm hoping for. So yeah, I'll be sawzawing the old exhaust system into pieces to get it out easier. That's the easiest way instead of messing around with the factory nuts and bolts that are all rusted. So we'll be chopping that up and pulling it out. Hopefully it's not too hard. As you can see, it's seen better days. I did have it straight piped before, and when I did that, when I straight piped it with that piece, the truck really didn't get any louder with or without the muffler that was on it, which tells me that the catalytic converter is really either plugged or just really restrictive from the factory. So this kit here should let it breathe a lot better. So I'm gonna get right into chopping that old one off, and we'll start hanging pieces of the pipe up in there. Let's get into it. I just wanted to give you guys the part number for this in case you have the same truck or same style of truck. It says it fits 01 through 07 2500, 1 tons, downpipe back, MBRP. Guys, check them out. Alright, the Sawzall made quick work of the old exhaust system. As you can see, there's the original catalytic converter. I just know that thing's plugged up. It's gotta be crazy restrictive. And there's the original pipe. You can kind of see the difference in pipe size from the 3.5 inch to the 4 inch. Then there's the stock downpipe that comes, well, it comes off of the turbo downpipe. That's the front of the exhaust pipe, the OE, and then the aftermarket MBRP pipe. Quite a bit of difference there. Should definitely help with the exhaust flow and not having that stupid catalytic converter on there. So just wanted to give you guys a shot of the old stuff that came off. And it probably took me like 5-10 minutes to cut this old stuff off with the Sawzall, so I wouldn't even mess around trying to unbolt it, just chop it off and throw it away. Good enough. We had to cut 9.5 inches off the extension pipe for extended cab short bed pickup. So if you have that same configuration, you're gonna have to do the same thing. Alright you guys, we got the exhaust system all installed and sounds a lot better. You can actually hear the turbo off the end of the exhaust. definitely pleased. Looks better, sounds better. Again, it's a MBRP 4-inch from the turbo downpipe back. So I'm out test driving it. It definitely has more of a growl to it with this 4-inch system. So it's going to be a little hard keeping my foot out of it now, because it just sounds so much better. So yeah, I definitely recommend the MBRP 4-inch system for your, I guess it would be LB7, LLY, LBZ DURAMAXes. Super nice system for the price. I mean, $280 is such a bargain price for a whole new exhaust system from the front to the back and 4-inch pipe. So I was thinking about going with a 5-inch, but for the price difference, I just don't really see why you would do that. I mean, especially with what I'm using it for. Yeah. This motor is not built. I mean, eventually I want to do a tune on it, and I'm going to do the intake. I'll probably get an S&B intake for it, but I'm not going to go too crazy on the mods on this truck. I still need to do a EGR delete on it, so that'll probably be the next thing that I do. But for now, the exhaust system is just awesome. I couldn't be happier with it. Let's see if we can pick up a tone here. Wow, so much better. So much better. This kit was very affordable. It was only 280 bucks, so I had to go for it. And it's just so much better than the stock exhaust system that's on there, and I'm sure the truck can breathe easier. The turbo is going to spool better, just way better than the OE exhaust system. So, alright you guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe to follow along on my DURAMAX build and my other builds. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.